Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best central vacuum powerhead products that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Turbocat 8695 Plastic Turbine Central Vacuum Powerhead. This air turbine powerhead is designed for high-performance cleaning and features a standard 1.25-inch neck size, making it compatible with most central vacuum systems. Its simplicity and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. The Turbocat 8695 is made from durable plastic, which contributes to its lightweight construction. However, while it's easy to handle, it doesn't feel as premium as some of the other options on this list. Its air-driven mechanism means no electrical connection is required, which can be a pro for those looking for a simpler setup. That said, it lacks advanced features like height adjustment or LED headlights often found in other models. In terms of performance, this powerhead is ideal for homes with hard floors or low-pile carpets. It's designed to maintain consistent airflow, but it may struggle with thicker carpet or deep cleaning tasks. Overall, the Turbocat 8695 is a no-frills option that works best for light cleaning jobs. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward, budget-friendly solution without the need for extra bells and whistles. At number 4, we have the HP Products Turbocat Central Vacuum Air Turbine Brush. This option is a versatile and reliable choice, compatible with a wide range of central vacuum brands including Beam, Newtone, and Electrolux. Its turbine-driven design ensures enhanced airflow, which helps maintain constant contact with floor surfaces for effective cleaning. The Turbocat has a sleek gray finish and is lightweight, weighing just 4.5 pounds. The addition of wheels makes it easy to glide across surfaces, but it doesn't include advanced features like a height adjustment or LED lighting. It's a solid performer on both hard floors and low-pile carpets, but it might not be the best choice for homes with heavy carpeting. This model shines in its simplicity and compatibility. If you're looking for a dependable, air-powered vacuum head that works with many different systems, the HP Products Turbocat is worth considering. However, for the price point, some users might expect a few more features like those found in higher-end models. Coming in at number 3 is the Wessel Werk EBK 360 Power Nozzle with integrated wand. This powerhouse is designed for those who need a heavy-duty cleaning solution. It features an integrated telescopic wand and a quick disconnect system, which makes it easy to switch between tasks. The bright LED headlight is a standout feature, helping you spot dirt in dimly lit areas. The Wessel Werk EBK 360 is built to last, with a solid design and 4 soft rubber wheels that glide effortlessly over both hard and carpeted surfaces without scratching. It also includes a HEPA filter, which is a great addition for households concerned about indoor air quality. However, it's slightly heavier than some of the other models on this list, weighing just over 10 pounds. Performance-wise, this power nozzle excels in deep cleaning scenarios. Its powerful motor ensures excellent suction and the ability to tackle thick carpets with ease. While it's a bit on the pricier side, its durability and feature set make it a worthwhile investment for those who want premium performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cen-Tec Systems 94775 CT20QD Quiet Drive Central Vacuum Nozzle with Integrated Wand. This powerhead is the perfect blend of performance, features, and value. It's designed to work seamlessly with all major central vacuum systems that have a flush mount hose, making it a versatile and universal choice. One of the standout features is its Quiet Drive Poly V-belt, which ensures consistent contact with the floor and dual brush edge cleaning for thorough results. It also includes a headlight, a height adjustment option, and a quick-release neck for added convenience. The integrated telescopic wand is both sturdy and adjustable, allowing for easy transitions between floor and above-floor cleaning tasks. With its sleek black design, sturdy build, and smooth operation, the Cen-Tec Systems CT20QD is the ideal choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-performance central vacuum powerhead. At $169.95, it offers incredible value for its feature set, making it the top pick on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.